cover for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Please let us know what you think about this cover in the comments below, and if you have any questions then please do not hesitate to ask there too. Back again with a greatly improved design, the Clearview cover can once more be set up extremely quickly. With your Galaxy S8's NFC function turned on, all you need to do is insert the phone into the case to begin experiencing what this fantastic case has to offer. When inserted and the cover closed, you'll be kept informed of the time, date, battery life and incoming notifications as you were on previous models. The real changes come in the form of the case's design. With the removal of the S-View stand cover from the official case lineup, Samsung have now opted to include this popular stand feature in the new Clearview cover instead. With a quick fold of the front cover, you can effortlessly position the case into a convenient viewing stand so as to watch media on the go or at home. Another improvement is seen in the case's overall look. The mirrored finish has been reined back slightly and replaced with a smooth matte finish on the back.